Hello. So after my little incident Saturday night where I burnt out, I woke up Sunday morning with an idea. Why not put my single slope ADC circuit into a tin and shield it? So I put it into a tin. That's my constant current circuit, and that's my comparator, and that's my ramp generator. And SMA connectors, I have power, my ramp control, comparator out, and my voltage in. And it seems a hell of a lot stabler. So it tracks quite well and quick. So I think I tamed the dragon with my 14-bit homebrew analog to digital converter. I think it's awesome. If my power supply had a third digit, I'd try that, but I can't afford one of them. Far too expensive for me. But that's analog electronics for you. Not too bad if I do say. That's my light going out. So, ta-da! Anyway, cheers and goodbye.